This is the only video you need if you want to learn how to put on a glueless lace front hair topper in 1 minute, even if you have no experience whatsoever. It's a lot easier than you think, and I'm going to show you how. This hair topper is one of our Divine lace top, lace front hair toppers, and it's almost the size of a wig, except it ends right before the nape of your neck so that your hair can hang out underneath. Step one, if you don't have the top grip band actually sewn into your hair topper, which is something we can do for you if you want that, but if not, all you do is clip it in. And there already is slits in the top grip, so you know where to put a clip. So I'll show you how to put it on. It has directions on it, and you need to follow this, otherwise it'll slip off and it'll do the exact opposite of what it's supposed to do, because one side will grip to your hair and the other will slide. There's hair clips that are already in the hair topper, and they line up with the slits that are on the top grip. Wear with label facing down on the right side, so down would be against your head. Easy to know with the lace top grip because the lace obviously has to go in the front. Open the clips that are on your hair topper, slit in here, into this clip. I'll show you. See? Like that, and then clip it, and then you do the same with this one on this side. Put the teeth through, and all the teeth don't have to go in it. It's not a big deal if they're not all in the slit like that, and then clip it shut. Like that, clip it in. And lastly, this one will go right like this. So once it's in, it'll look like that. This band is adjustable. You want the band to be snug on your head. Not too snug where it's like giving you a headache, but you want it to be nice and tight so it keeps the topper secure. To me, it's like a mini bra strap, and it has this little figure 8 on it, and you're gonna pinch it with your finger. There's gonna be a side with a double string and a side with 1 string. This side with the loop, 1 string will move and 1 won't. This one, it's not moving. Don't keep pulling it because you could snap it. So if it's not moving, that's okay. Just grab the other one, and then you can pull just like a bra strap and slide it to make it tight. If the loop side is getting bigger, that means it's getting tighter. If you want it to get looser, you just go the other way. Like this. So you go like that, and you just tighten it like that. The top grip is clipped into your hair topper, and the band is tight. You need a hair tie, comb, or you can use your fingers, these little hairline brushes, which are just like little spoolie brushes. First, if your hair is long enough, put it in a ponytail. Be a loose ponytail just like this. That's going to be your guide of where you want the band to go, because you want the band to be sitting as low as possible on the back of your neck and then touching right behind your ears. You're going to take your hair topper, you can hold it by the string, and you're going to hold it upside down, right? This is the front, and you're going to hold the front against your forehead. You should put it a little bit lower than you actually want it to be sitting, because you're going to shift it back, and it's way easier to shift it back than it is to try to pull it forward. Hold the band with one hand, and then hold the front like this with your other hand. You're going to place your forehead into the front like this. See? And then you're going to take the band while you're still holding the front on your forehead so you can secure it like that. Just stretch the band all the way around underneath your ponytail. Let go of the front now at that point. And take the band out of the ponytail like this. Make sure it's touching all the way down the bottom of your neck and behind your ears. And now your hair topper looks like this. Once you get the band underneath your ponytail, then you're going to take the back that's the nape of the hair topper. Hold your hand here, take the back that's the nape, and stretch it all the way down like a swim cap. Like this, so it's nice and snug. Once you feel it get snug, because you'll feel it get tight, and it'll start to contour to your head, then you can lift up your head. And right now, it's a little bit too low, but like I said, we're gonna shift it back. So when you shift it, you grab it by the hair here. Never grab it by the lace in the front, because you'll tear it. So you can grab it by here and just slowly shift it back until it's in a spot that you like it. Like if you look at it and you're like, my forehead looks too small or my forehead looks too big, you'll know. Me, I think that's a good spot. And then you pull your hair forward, then you take the comb, and any of your hair that's gonna be caught underneath, like your sideburns, probably stuck underneath the band. So that's when you take a comb, and any of your sideburn hair you kind of just pull out just like that with the comb. Or your finger, whatever feels better for you. And you get it so it's not bunched up under the clear band. And you take it out like this, like I'm doing a little bit of both, comb and finger, just so it blends in nice. You can do the same on this side. Any hair that's caught underneath the band, you kind of just take it out with the comb. If you do end up getting hair that's caught under the lace in the front, you can use a spoolie brush like this. So you just take a little spoolie brush and you kind of like grab the hair with it and swirl it out. And after you do that, that's it. That is all it takes to put on a glueless lace front hair topper. Like I said, you don't need any experience, and it's really easy. It just takes a couple simple steps.